Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 best LED headlights for Range Rover. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected an LED sports headlamp for Range Rover. Specifications: brand name, Tunning. Model, Range Rover. Year, 2010 to 2017. OI no, NA. Car fitment, Range Rover. Voltage, 12 volts. Warranty, 1 year. Type, LED headlight. Car make, for Range Rover Vogue. Beam, high-low beam. Material, PP plus PC. Fitment, excellent fitment. Lifespan, a long time. Waterproof, excellent. Lens, dual optical lens. Operating voltage, 12 volts. Position, front bumper. Item number 2 is Facelift Conversion Upgrade L494. Specifications: brand name, Thebist. Model number, GL1263. Warranty, 1 year, 24 months. Type, LED, car headlights. Certification, TS 16949. OI no, LR 116466. Material, PC. Fitting position, front left right. Usage, plug and play. Delivery time, 335 days. Lighting distance, 100 m. On the top of our list at number 1 we have aftermarket LED headlights for Range Rover. Specifications: brand name, Thebist. Voltage, 12V. OI no, LR 054711. Car fitment, Land Rover. Warranty, 1 year. Place of origin, Zhejiang, China. Model number, VG18004. Car model, for Range Rover Vogue L405. Condition, 100% new brand. Fitment type, direct replacement. Placement on vehicle, front, left, right. Lens color, clear material, ABS plastic. Installation, plug in and play. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.